What's poppin'? Just fuck my ex, I wrought it. 2X to the mushroom chocolate. 2X on neck, I'm frostbit. Stay dressin', no balsamic. Got commas, Comme des Garçons. Cup guys, cues like Compton. Chef Noble, cook me raw fish. Long beards, but the squad's not Amish. Just bosses, dropouts, and convicts. Wallets bigger than Chris Wallace. Dead presidents inside, it's haunted. Yellow tape where I'm from, stay cautious. Made mixtapes wearing shirts with the horses. It's been a minute since I give a fuck about a critic's opinion, but they keep on forgetting where the bars went. Old timers, damn, y'all got Alzheimer's. Can't say what your subconscious think, be honest. Y'all hate that I switch genres, fuck models, switch condoms. Eat beef like McDonald's, eat rappers, Jeff Dahmer. Top 5 of the young rhymers. Been sick, no virus, I'm an OG now, I do not pay homage. Look, I'm a Cleveland Cavalier, driving foreign engineer. At the Fashion Week of Paris, Cinderella on my terrace. Glass slipper on the stairs, ass fatter than Shakira's. I saw her live at the Super Bowl, I was in town for a movie role. Tootsie slide in the booty hole, smoking woods, eating tuna roll. Playing cards like it's Yu-Gi-Oh! And I was only in the studio. I wake up, I'm moody, I roll up some fruity that have more colors than a Coogee coat. I'm not a rapper that talk about designer, but this is from Virgil and Louis though. Inside my closet's a million options, I put on all black like a funeral. I hop off the plane in pajamas, I do this shit daily, I don't even plan it. Whoa, what's poppin'? Just fuck my ex, I wrought it. 2X to the mushroom chocolate. 2X on neck, I'm frostbit. 2 eggs with cheese and sausage, I'm in bed, she fed me topless. 3 X's next to the names of the last 3 hoes on my Miss Carlos, yeah. Yeah, red eyes, I can't see clear, whoa. Whoa, my brick so white it glow, damn. Damn, she made it OnlyFans, can't write my life in books. I'm back to my old ways, I've been... Alright, fuck it, I'm good.